So let us start up. So we have a task here which is to enable remote desktop, allow TestOut to connect to your computer using remote desktop connection. Verify that the firewall ports for remote desktop are open appropriately. So we'll go to our settings, start menu, right click on it, you go to settings. And under setting, you are going to look for remote. Here is remote here. And under remote, you go to remote desktop users. We click on it, and then we'll go ahead and add Tom Blask. So let's type in Tom Blask, and let's check name. Alright, this is right, so we click OK. And since we're not adding any other name, we click OK. The next thing we want to do is to go back so that we can access About. Under About, we go to System Protection, and System Protection, we what are we checking here? Advanced. Alright, so performance and alright, so alright. Let me see.